Hello my friends, I'm going to take you through on how to set wire tunnel and get free internet in any country you are within. So requesting you to stay connected until the end. Please subscribe, you like and you share. So we're going to take everything step by step. So let's get to it and we see how to do it. Yep. Yeah, this is our wire tunnel. Yeah, for me mine is already connected as you see, but we assume you're not yet connected. What we're going to do, I'm going to first disconnect it, then I take you through the whole process. Thank you. Yeah, now we're disconnected, and as you're seeing upstairs here, let me show you, is here. There it is, as it is fault configurations. So in fault configurations, there's some stuff that you may need. You need to set it, default configuration. You may need to set it, then it's just like the server that you may need. So for that case, you need to set the server, and below we are seeing the configuration for setting below here, the server, as you see, a server list. So you can click on server list, then because you're seeing the number of servers here, so you can turn on any always. By the time you download the video, you download the app, it's always any optimized, so you just come and turn on any of them. Yeah, because and one time you may turn on and the server may tell you that they are full, so you look for another server, you connect on. After connecting, after turning on the server, come and connect. Yes, automatically it will connect in few seconds, as you have seen. Then we are good to go. So for that case, you have, as you're seeing at the countdown, it's there is some time counting below here. As you're seeing, there's time counting. So for this case, when this time elapses, the 36 minutes there, we are seeing counting here. When it comes to 0, 0, 0, 0, it disconnects completely. So for that case, you have to tap this the corner having add time. So you tap on it, then it will bring you a quotation of this nature: watch add-on to review access to the service. Yes, you can watch video free. Yes.
Regardless of the size of your organization, managing payroll shouldn't be complicated. Seamless Payroll helps you simplify your...
You see, they've given us that video free. We can watch it, then after that we are granted, as you see in the corner here, we are granted the time. Yeah, you see upstairs here, we are granted reward. So after, for that case, you cancel. You see, time automatically tops up, it solves. Yeah, after that you already connected. Then after that you can check out even other things, like you can come to this other corner, here. Yes, you turn it, you click in it for more settings, come to logs here. Sorry for the adverts. For that, when you're there, you have no options. So here it is always log verb 1 2 3 4. So you have to set it in 3. You set it, and there is even a timestamp. There is none, there is short, and then ISO. So you also set it in ISO. Yeah, when you're done with that, you get back to your logo, then status. You see how data flows, it is on. Yeah, meaning it is counting. Yeah, for that case. And then you can tell a friend, you can share it. You tell your colleague, you can even contact them via the email. Yeah, for details, that's the details. You can get to know the descriptions of it, then the terms and conditions. You can also go through them, something of that sort. So thank you guys, please requesting you to subscribe, watch, and you share as you wait for my next video. In the next video we shall be looking on how to increase on the internet speed using uh, wire 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 channel or wire turn. So come on and wait for my next video. Thank you.